We are talking about someone who can sell an ice to an Eskimo. We can truly relate with this personality who has been guiding us like a lighthouse for leaders like me who met him for the first time when we had just got into Toastmasters. My personal interaction started just 4 months when I had won the area level contest and I was told to meet DTM Prasad Soni if I want to go up the other levels. And he took me for a morning walk, and in those 30 minutes he gave me at least 15 topics, and those topics were on the board and then others. So I am going to do the same role with all of you present today here, ladies and gentlemen. I am playing the role of table topics master. This role in Toastmasters is about impromptu speaking. It helps you build your leadership skills. It helps you get your emotions outside you. And what a better opportunity than today when we are celebrating 27 years Toastmaster journey of distinguished Toastmaster Prasad Soni. Dear friends, you will have 2 minutes to speak your heart out. At the end of 1 minute, our timer, Toastmaster Tej Sharma, will show you a green card. At the end of 1.5 minutes, he will show you a yellow card. And at the end of 2 minutes, he's going to show you a red card. We are gracious. You will have 30 seconds more to wrap up your speech, after which he will ring the bell. So, without wasting any further moment, I would like to first call upon someone who has been a Toastmaster and a Rotarian with distinguished Toastmaster Prasad Soni. A huge round of applause for Toastmaster Ajay and Rotarian Ajay Wagh to please come. Yes. And you're welcome, Toastmaster Ajay. The topic for Toastmaster Ajay and Rotarian Ajay is Prasad Soni, the Rotarian. So far, we have heard about Toastmasters. So let's hear from a different perspective. Prasad Soni, the Rotarian, by Toastmaster Ajay and Rotarian Ajay.
So good evening to one and all. In the beginning only, I would like to congratulate Prasad for completing his 27th year in Toastmasters. I think that I am the luckiest member in the room because when Prasad started his movement in Pune, from that time I am associated with the Prasad. The second thing which I want to say that if you want to give an example of proactive person, so I can say that Prasad is a person who can be called as a proactive. Or if you want to put the phrase of ahead of the curve, then again I would like to say that Prasad can be the person for whom this phrase is appropriate. Then, talking about the journey which I lived with Prasad in Rotary, is very fortunate to be a part of a Rotary. That year 2007 and 8 was the year when I was the president and Prasad was the secretary of the club. And from that time, the association has been started. And the little bit proactiveness which Prasad is having, I learned from him, and it was a best year of my life. My life has been changed because of the presidency which I did in the Rotary. And as I said that whatever skills, whatever things which Prasad is carrying every now and then, it was carried away. He being sitting next to me for a whole year. So I got to learn so many things. And being a secretary of the club, he has to design everything and I have to execute. As we know that Prasad is expert in execution. So here I got the chance to execute whatever designed by the Prasad. And after that, I seen Prasad very active in a district. I seen Prasad taking mentoring programs for the district officer, for the presidents of different years. So as he said, that the habit which he have about taking everyone ahead, that was I see. I wish him all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster and Rotarian Ajay Wagh, for sharing your journey. Surely, anyone who works with Prasad sir, the memories last forever. Now, what better memory than to have someone who has lived those days with you? Today we have someone who has been Prasad sir's batchmate when they were in school, when they were in junior college, and when they were in senior college. And both of them did their bachelors together. They are still bachelors at heart together. So please help me welcome the childhood friend of DTM Prasad Soni, Mr. Sriharsh Sagare, to do the honors to speak something about it. I'll give you the topic here. Sagare. Okay. Sriharsh Sagare. Thank you, sir. Please come. You're most welcome. The topic for Mr. Sriharsh Sagare is Prasad, the fellow student. Prasad, the fellow student. Sriharsh Sagare. Over to you.
Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, Prasad is with Toastmasters since last 20 years, 27 years. And I know and I'm friend of Prasad 22 years before that. So you're all good in maths. So next year we will be celebrating 50 years of our friendship.
Oh.
He entered into school, NMV High School in Pune, from 1st to 10th. Then 11th and 12th, we did junior college in Garware College, and we graduated together in Ferguson College. And after that also still we are very close friends. Most of this some professional journey you must have seen. But personally, on personal note, we are 6 people together, including Prasad, that we are still friends, our families are friends, and we are having our get together very frequently. As a friend, and you all know he is a very versatile person and all, music lover, movie buff, then all those things. But one thing I would like to share with you is he is a child at heart. With last 50 years I have seen him, his maybe biological age has increased, but there is a child in his heart. I'll give you one example. Whenever we are, suppose we are going from one distinct place to another, some children are playing on the street, cricket. Immediately Prasad will jump over there, he will take the bat or he will take the ball, he will play for 2-3 minutes as if he is their friend. So that child is maintained in his heart. I think that is a great quality, because we become elder, then we have our tags and all those things, but he is keeping all those things away and still he is maintaining that child in his heart. And another thing is our common this thing in literature, music and all, like Madan Mohan is his favorite, mine also, Jaydev and all. Only one incident I'll tell and I'll close. Even in Ferguson College also we were very close in social activities. Means William Golding, his novel was very famous. I think he was about to come and we had been there to meet him, and also he is very active right from that day. So I am very privileged to have Prasad as my friend, and I wish him all the success for his all future endeavors. Thank you.
So dear friends, now my introduction comment is vetted. Prasad sir is a child at heart, which gives me the perfect liberty to invite someone who is a very special guest today. This guest was specially invited by me. And in Toastmasters, we say that 3 is the magic number. So our third speaker today is son of distinguished Toastmaster Prasad Soni. Please put your hands together for Mihir Soni. Thanks, Mihir, for joining us. And Mihir is going to speak in his words what he has learned over the years from his father, distinguished Toastmaster Prasad Soni. What are his key learnings, Mihir? Okay, so feel at ease.
Yes,
Okay, the stage is yours. Own it. Thank you.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. So, since I remember, since I've been a child, my father has always had this urge to gain knowledge and always talk about it at home as well. So, at home, we always talk about topics related to international politics or how the current geopolitical situation of the world is. So this has helped me immensely in my personal life as well, because wherever I go, I can talk to people of different ages on different topics. That I would say is thanks to him. As a child, I remember that he had given me an activity. So what had happened was I wanted a chocolate, and he told me that if I told him 100 uses of a scale, or rather how a scale can be used in 100 different ways, he would buy that chocolate to me. He would buy me that chocolate, and so these kind of activities have helped me in thinking ahead of the curve in my current life as well, like in my later years. So he has always he has also been very supportive of whatever I wanted to do, and he has always been very open-minded. So I still remember he first told me that if you go out and have drinks with your friends, or if you go out and smoke with your friends, it's totally fine. But tell me if you do those things. I don't want to hear about those things from somebody else. I would rather hear those things from you. So he has always supported me, like I said, no matter what I wanted to do. He has always allowed me to take on different challenges. And yes, I would say that I feel very glad to have such an intelligent person as my father. Thank you.
Thank you, Mihir. I'm trying to let the feeling sink in. And for the proud father in the room, distinguished Toastmaster Prasad Soni, I think is it the first time we are having Mihir in a table topic to speak about you today?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Yes, so big round of applause for Mihir. In my list, we have someone who has been with Prasad sir in Japanese class, and the entire class was online. We all live in this online age. So let us hear from this person about what was her experience. May I invite Miss Vrishali Pirambute? She present? Yes, Vrishali, please. Thanks for joining us. Your topic is Prasad, the virtual classmate.
Oh.
Prasad, the virtual classmate. Vrishali.
Yeah, sure. So myself Prishadi, we were learning Japanese together in the last year with Prasad sir. So this is a very surprise experience. He was a very what we can say experienced and versatile person in the classroom. And everybody is just the 10, 12 students. And what we can say, a person who is developed very quickly with the different age group. That is a very different person I have ever seen in my life. So that's a very great experience to learn a Japanese culture and language with Prasad Soni sir. So that was my experience with the Prasad sir.
So, like the number of countries DTM Prasad sir has visited, a short quiz for all of you. How much it is? How many countries has he visited?
128.
50,
Up to 56, right? Okay. So thanks. You all win some sweets which will be lined up for the dinner. We have someone. We have someone. Yes. Who has been in the Spanish culture batch with DTM Prasad sir, and he's Mr. Vilas Ravande. So Mr. Vilas, please grace the podium. So, thank you for joining us, sir. Your topic is Prasad Sohni, the trainer in Spanish culture. Prasad Sohni, the trainer in Spanish culture.
Good evening. Well, friends, it's a challenge to me to speak for 2 minutes. Although I learned speaking a lot from various people, but the first time I met Prasad was in Rotary only. Then I found that he's totally intelligent and proactive and not much of times. Now, while learning Spanish, I had a beautiful experience. Of course, it was though I'm a good friend of him, but learning Spanish for me on Zoom, it was very fantastic. As a child, he used to teach you as a child. Simple way of talking to you, simple way of understanding every word, and asking to repeat something on your own. That means he has his own other colleagues with him, but the way Prasad handled session on Zoom and very sincere. And at times he used to say, because we are little proactive, but we need to learn something proactive from him. So sometimes I used to proactive talking. He said, "Last, keep silent." That was his habit. And that was good enough for me because he wanted to see that every one of us in Zoom gets supported. A great trainer from beginning from various languages, but when I really appeared for exam in Spanish, I'm proud to say that because of his teaching, because his learning, I'm still continuing to learn and again rewrite. I could get more than 90% plus marks in the examination. I think I was second or third in the entire course. And second best thing, what he told me, he did not tell me anything, but the habits he has developed, probably I have learned something, I borrowed something from him that I prepared a small booklet for the entire course he has taught to us. And that was appreciated by him and his colleague. Because it was a simple book. We had a book of more than 300 pages, but I made it to hardly 60 pages. So a beautiful, precise summary of the entire Spanish stuff I learned. And thank Prasad for making me learn more languages. He told me join Japanese. I'm taking time to take it, but before that, I would like to see that I'm able to go for the second level of Spanish language because what he taught me, I must see that the direction I will take to it. Thank you, Nitin.
Thank you, Mr. Vilas, sir, for enlightening us. He doesn't leave us also to get inspired and learn new languages. I have been told many a times, I tried my best, but it's tough to match up his skill level in terms of languages when it comes. When God created knowledge, he gave the intelligence to man to make an encyclopedia. Similarly, when God also created us humans with hearts and brains, he created something like a great friend, a guide, a mentor, a philosopher, your 2 a.m. friend. And that is something which Prasad sir has been for me in my life and all those years that I have known him so far. A very dear friend who will take care even if I have reached home or not. He will text me, call me if we have met late. And that is where the quality of a person comes and shines. There are people in your life who are like lighthouse. They'll stay there throughout your life. You don't need cannons for a lighthouse. It just shines and shows you the direction. And so is our dear friend and distinguished Toastmaster Prasad. So may God bless him with many more years. And thank you so much, sir, for whatever you have done for the entire fraternity and people around you. Big round of applause.